Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss about these two apps, WhatsApp and Discord. I am Indonesian, by the way. Most of us using WhatsApp as our primary chat apps. Discord not so popular. For the ones who on, let's say, on China, maybe Line is the most popular, and for you in the US, I think the most popular is Snapchat maybe, or I think WhatsApp also popular on US, but I'm not really sure. But the thing is, I want to compare WhatsApp versus Discord on this video. Okay, for me, I've I, I'm using this WhatsApp and Discord in my daily life for the daily use for communication with anyone. I do much prefer WhatsApp. For instance, I'm communication with my I do communicate with my mom maybe, or my friend or my colleague directly. I would prefer WhatsApp than Discord. But for business reason, for businesses such as how to manage my business. By the way, I'm a businessman. I manage several businesses. I have in total right now I have 10 people behind me. My team of about 10 people, and I much prefer manage daily task using Discord, because as simple as Discord could create thread. Okay, so it's more tidy than WhatsApp, so we could call the topic or the task that never done before, the yesterday task, 2 days before task, and so on. It's really tidy using Discord, using the thread feature, the thread category feature, and then the channel feature is so powerful that Discord has not WhatsApp. And secondly, and the thirdly, I mean the notes taking. I know many of you do note taking on your chat apps, and I've done for WhatsApp and Discord. But for me, much much more efficient using Discord. As simple like Discord could create a categories and then channels and then thread. You can manage your notes more efficient and more tidy up. And the last one, Meet, okay, or video call. I much prefer Discord. Discord is so good, I think, especially for group meeting. Using Zoom, so difficult. No, not so difficult. Actually, Zoom is really cool stuff, but you have to install another apps to use Zoom. And using WhatsApp group call, actually I never done it. But for personal call, I felt WhatsApp not so good, but for Discord it's really nice. It's just easy. You just one click and then you enter a room that require person or able person to talk to that room, and then we could meet online meeting on Discord. So let's conclude this content. For daily use, I much prefer WhatsApp. For businesses, how to manage business, I much prefer Discord. For taking notes, I much prefer Discord. And then the last one, for online meeting, I much prefer Discord than WhatsApp. That's it, this video. I hope you could get insight from this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.